Click on the link below to get discount. The Smart AI 3-in-1 Laser Welder, Cleaner, Cutter, HEROLASER T700, is a remarkable tool that combines 3 essential functions into one sleek, handheld design, making it an invaluable asset for both professionals and DIY enthusiasts. This powerful machine is engineered for versatility, effectively handling welding, cleaning, and cutting tasks with precision and ease. One of the standout features of the HEROLASER T700 is its user-friendly interface. The Smart AI technology allows for easy adjustments and settings, ensuring that users can tailor the machine's performance to meet specific project requirements. This adaptability is essential, especially for intricate welding jobs where different materials may require varying levels of power and precision. In terms of performance, the T700 excels in all 3 functions. The welding capability is impressive, providing strong, clean joints without the need for filler material. This not only saves time but also results in a more aesthetically pleasing finish. The laser cleaning feature is particularly noteworthy. It effectively removes rust, paint, and contaminants without damaging the underlying material, making it an eco-friendly alternative to traditional methods. The cutting function is equally robust, delivering clean edges with minimal kerf, which is crucial for detailed work. The ergonomic design of the handheld unit ensures that it is comfortable to use for extended periods, reducing fatigue. Furthermore, the portability of the T700 means it can be easily moved from one job site to another, making it ideal for contractors and hobbyists alike. However, it's worth mentioning that while the initial investment may seem steep, the combination of 3 functions in one tool ultimately saves both time and money in the long run. Overall, the HEROLASER T700 is a game-changer in the realm of laser technology, offering unparalleled efficiency and versatility for a variety of applications. Its innovative design and performance make it a worthy addition to any workshop.